Hi, I'm Adriana. I own Anima Mundi. We're a Brooklyn-based apothecary that makes amazing plant medicines. So today we're going to do natural body care, which is amazing to see nowadays. Everybody's really orienting towards truly natural products. Our skin is the largest organ in our body, and it's constantly interfacing the internal and external environment. We want our lymphatic system to be detoxified, which is amazing to use natural oils and herbs to kind of enhance that experience. We're going to start with our base oil, which is our jojoba oil, and then a little bit of chia. We will add the rosehip later, but because rosehip is very heat sensitive, we only add it till the end. So we're gonna start adding around 4 ounces of herbs total for the 4 ounces of oil that we have here. So we're gonna start with our nettle, very nutrient dense plant. We're using blue lotus, which is actually used by Egyptian pharaohs for like skincare, even baths, which is very luxurious. And calendula is actually super popular because it's very astringent. The good thing about astringent herbs is that they basically help make your skin tight. And then chamomile, good old chamomile, is actually an incredible beauty herb, and particularly when blended with the blue lotus, which actually the Egyptians used to do, it enhances the constituents naturally. And you can kind of start blending it. So in a double boiler, and you place it in the water, and we're gonna cook it for the first 24 hours. So basically you gotta keep an eye on it and be sure to be adding water constantly to your double boiler. If the water runs out and you have a glass container, it can be very dangerous, although you have to get a heat resistant container to be sure there's no mistakes. As you're cooking your herbs, you wanna be sure you mix it around at least every hour. So yeah, you kind of have to be at home or someone can help you. Or if you just want kind of like the lazy way, you just get a crock pot and forget the double boiler and just leave the crock pot kind of rotating and leaving it there on a consistent temperature. You basically want to grab the best nut milk bag you can find. They sell these everywhere. And in a glass container, never use plastic because you want it to be constantly in a very, sanitized environment. You want to press it as much as you can. Press it until there's nothing left in the plants. So now we're going to use our other oils that are very heat sensitive, kind of like rosehip. So from the 4 ounces, I'm going to add 3 ounces of the rosehip. You just got to give it a nice blend, move it around. So you want to choose essential oils that you love that bring you a nice experience. If you want to have like just a delicious smelling, decompressing, heart opening one, I love rose for that. So 20 drops in around 4 ounces of liquid is about what you want. And then that's it. You got your beautiful oil. This is a great way to start your herbalist practice because you can learn how to make your own medicinal oils. And most of these plants you can find anywhere, like health food stores, your local farmers, even farmers markets. Most of the time you can find nettle, chamomile, and even other plants and flowers that you might integrate into your medicinal oil. So give it a go.